What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, you and I will be drawing yellow from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson on the left side of our page and draw a large circle for the eye. We're going to start at the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then pull it back up towards the top. Now I'm going to draw another circle, just shift it over towards the left side for the people. So on the left side of our circle, we're going to step in, draw that smaller circle going around, and then back down. Let's fill the people in black. Now with the eye in place, we want to draw the profile edge of the head. So we move over towards the left, step all the way down towards the edge of the beak, curve this up, and we'll just bend that all the way out towards the end. Let's go back down to the bottom. I'm just going to add a curve going across and then down just underneath the eye. Let's add another curve going up and then out. Let's close off the back of the head with a curve. Come in, down, and then back out. Now you want to tuck the left eye in behind the edge of the head. So we're going to line up the top of that circle over towards the outside of the head, bend this out, and then back in. Let's trace that along the inside for the pupil, and it'll fill the pupil in black. Let's go to the bottom of the head and add a curve coming down and then up towards the end of the tail. So bend this down, go across, and then bend that back up. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to step down, draw the front edge of the neck. We're going to come down and then in. Now add the edge of the collar, going out and then up. Now let's draw that front arm. From the top of the neck, step down. It's going to draw on the back of the arm, going out, and then pull that down towards the elbow. Let's bend the forearm, coming around, and then up towards the hand. And we're going to bend the hand, coming down towards the first finger, taper that up, and then in towards the hand. Let's layer the second finger in behind. Halfway along this curve, we go out and then down towards the tip, and go up towards the top of the forearm, and then bend this down, aiming towards the elbow. Now I'm going to round up the top of the arm and then bring this down on top of the forearm. Let's go back to the bottom corner of the neck. We're just going to curve the front of the body, coming down and then in behind the arm. And then from the elbow, we'll step up, curve this out, and then up towards the back. Now let's move over and draw on the front leg. From the elbow, we're going to step over, bend the leg coming down, round up the knee, and then bend that back up. Now we want to draw on the back of the leg, so we're going to step down, come down towards the knee, step up to create a fold, going out and then up towards the heel. Let's round up the heel, spin that down, and I want to curve the foot, coming down and then out. Now just like we did with the hand, we're going to draw on the first toe. It's going to taper this up towards the foot, step down, add another curve coming down towards the second toe. I'll bend the foot, going out and then up underneath the leg. Now in between the arm and the leg, we're just going to close off the body with a curve coming down and up. And we'll continue that curve on the back of the leg, going out and then up towards the end of the tail. Now I want to duplicate that same leg along the back. So let's start with the front of the thigh, underneath the arm, coming down, and we'll bend that up. Let's move towards the bottom of the knee, bend the foot, coming down and out. Taper this up towards the foot. Let's add that second toe. So we're going to step back, come down, and bend that up underneath the knee. Now let's duplicate that arm in the back. We're going to start on top of the hand, start with the bottom edge of the hand, going out and then down. Again, tapering this up towards the hand. And then halfway along this curve, add the second finger going out, then this up towards the top of the arm, and then down in behind the body. Now I want to place the propeller on the back. So we're going to start with two straight angle lines coming in towards the body. So we're going to start by lining this up along the top. Just going to angle this down. We're going to go in behind that bottom point, continue along the bottom. Now from the top, we're going to step over, draw that same angled line, just going around that point. And then along the top, we're going to add a curve. Now we're going to add 3 propeller blades along the top. Let's start with the one in the center. For the top corners, I'm going to angle this up and then out. And then on the top, draw a straight line going across. Now going back to the side, we're going to angle this out with a slight angle, going up towards the side, go to the right, and do the same thing. And then we're going to pull this down and then in towards the bottom of the blade. So go in behind the head on the left, all the way down on the right. Now we're going to go back to the center, step down, angle this down, and then out towards the bottom of the blade. So let's start with the left side, going in behind the head, go over towards the right. And then we'll center art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw yellow from rainbow, friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.